Let's take new exercise in SolidWorks. Claw hammer with handle. See, this is little complex drawing, and there is a handle with assembly. Okay, so you will see here we have many views: front view, back view, side view, and there is a section view. Section view AA. See the section view AA. You will see here. Then there is a section C. Section C you will see here. Then there is a section B. Section B here. Okay, and there is a handle. All dimensions are in millimeter. Material stainless steel, cast stainless steel. You will see here 77 kg per cubic meter. Okay, now let's start from this middle part. You will see this middle part have little tapered. You will see this is a kind of curved drawing, so we will see how we can complete. Total width 25. Okay, now these width not given, so we will make consider 25, and later we will cut, we will trim. See there is a curve. We will see how we can achieve. Let's make this center part. You will see 25 millimeter, 95 angle, 83.5. This is the angle. Okay, then we will extrude this body. Width is not given, so we will consider this top width 25. Later we will trim it. Then this upper one, you will see 85, 70, and you will see there is a 90 millimeter angle between these line, 90 millimeter, and see this is going to apply here. 55, 3 millimeter straight. This corner going to meet at this point. 16 millimeter. This is also we are going to extrude up to 25 or more. Then we will see. And see this hammer center part 39 millimeter. This one. Now let me choose right plane, sketch. Now I am going to activate line tool, and all lines are not perfectly aligned, so I am going to do like this. Okay, now draw one line, horizontal line. Exit. Make this line horizontal. Construction. Now select this line, hold shift key, and there is point, midpoint. Both should be midpoint. This is going to be horizontal. Okay, no, not horizontal. There is an angle. (25) 95-degree angle. 95 degree. Okay, let me do one thing. It should not be something like, okay, this should not be taper. Okay, that's it. Now let me select from here to here 39. 83.5 degrees. See, now we achieve this one. Go to feature. I want to add material, so apply extruded boss base. Start condition keep same, end condition keep mid plane. I want to flow material both side equally. Here apply 25 is enough. Okay. Now again I am going to apply the same right plane, sketch. Now draw one line and draw here horizontal. Make it this 3 and make this line 55. Okay, now let's select this line and this line, make relation 90 degree. 3-point arc. Start from this point to connect with this point. Again I am going to start from this point to connect somewhere here. Dimension Horizontal distance 16 millimeter, 70, 85. Look, it seems fully defined sketch. Okay. Now here we will apply material letter. Okay, let me select this line, convert entity. Now here let's apply fillet R5. Okay, but there is some things are going to miss, so let's Control Z, undo the procedure, and trim entity, keep construction trim entity, power trim, just make this line construction. See, this line going to construction, this is going to be in full mode. Okay, that's extruded boss base. Okay, let me define 3-point arc radius. Okay, now again I am going to connect this to this. Okay, now select this one and this one, relation tangent, tangent, 5 millimeter. Okay, trim entity, here select trim entities as construction geometry, power trim, and make this one. Now we have one close profile. See, extruded boss base. Now I want to add material. Here I want to add more material because we need to trim both sides equally. So I'm going to add something like 30 millimeter. Keep material both sides, and here unmerge result. Both we will keep separate, then we will see. Okay. Now from mid plane below 9.5% there is a section view. C. Where is section C? Okay, this is the section C. Now you will see this shape we need to make. 14 millimeter. This is not straight. This is might be tangent for smooth curve. 120 and 14 millimeter, and this side let's say 17 millimeter. Okay. Then come here. You will see this is different shape. 350. So these shape we are going to apply on those shapes at 9.5. See, let's apply plane, top plane, 9.5, make it below. Okay, now select this plane, sketch. Now reverse. Okay, now let me apply here. Now select line, make it little taper, then convert this line into curve and connect somewhere here. Exit. Smart dimension. Now this distance, total length 14, 120 radius, 14 this side, and let me select this side, 17 millimeter. This is a kind of path. Okay, so this one I am going to exit. Exit. Now I am going to select this face, sketch. Okay, we have to check. Okay, line here, So let me draw one center line. Okay, now again I am going to click this one, uncheck straight line, and I am going to add some curve here. Curve should be equal to this. Okay, now what we will do, this is already merged with this. Select this point, coincide. Okay, now again do one thing, delete this. Three-point arc. Okay. $350mm. Look, it seems fully defined. We created arc up to this. Now exit and create one surface. Go to Shift Surface. Now one is selected. Now sketch profile. Now here let me select this path, what we created. Now see, the surface is going to create through all. Now go to option and here choose, okay, let me show. See, there is no tangent surfaces, just because there is a point, that's why there is a not a similar faces. So here I am going to choose tangent faces. See, these dot line create deleted. Now I want to trim this portion first. So go to cut with surface. Now surface already selected. Uncheck auto and select this body. I want to trim only this body. See the direction this side, say okay. It's trimmed. Hide. See the shape we receive. Now the same thing we need to mirror. Right plane, feature, cut. See, let me hide. Now come on top. This is 25, but there is a shape. You will see the shape, how it looks like. So this shape, 25, half of this how much? 12.5. So we will make 12.5. How you can achieve this? We have to remove the upper one. So let me activate 3D sketch, line. Now connect from this point to this. And draw line and connect with mid. Construction geometry. $12.5. See? Exit. Now you will see here. Now this much portion we need to remove. How you can remove? Again create one shift surface. Now first let me select this. Now path, I am going to select this path. Now you will see a surface going to create, and with the help of this surface I am going to remove this face. Now again in option merge tangent faces, say okay. Cut with surface. Now see, the surface already selected. This surface already selected here. Now which body you want to remove? Uncheck auto and select the body. So I'm going to select this body because I want to trim only this body, not this body. Say OK. Click and hide surface. See, mirror, right plane is the mid, and feature to mirror, select this cut. OK, and see. See, here we receive the body, achieve the body. Okay, let's make the bottom part. Bottom part diameter 25. See, distance from center to bottom 52, and from outside to here 25.5. Okay, and this height 14. Then at section view there is a circle, 16 dia circle. See here. Now, okay, let's right plane sketch, activate line, corner rectangle, better. Okay. Smart dimension, (14mm). Now, this diameter 25, so radius 12.5, and distance from here to this edge 25.5. Okay, and one more thing, the last thing, distance from bottom to this center point 52 is given. I want to add material in circular direction, so I am going to apply revolve boss base feature. Now here I am going to select this. Keep end condition 365. Say OK. See. Now at 27 distance we have to make one circle. At section view 16. So top plane, plane 27 here, select flip direction. OK. Select plane sketch, activate circle. Now let me reverse. (16 dia). Okay. Now the location I am going to keep same. Exit. Hide. Now I want to connect this with this. Now go to feature and activate lofted boss base. Now here. Now I want to select this near this corner portion. Second this circle. Third this circle. Now see. Now you don't need to define anything else. Merge tangent faces, that's enough. Say OK. See, the shape looks perfect. We don't need to define anything. Now see, here also the shape looks good. Now there is a radius R1 and there is a one cutout. You will see here 6.5, 36mm from here. Then at center there is a radius like 1mm. Okay. So remove this one. What face I am going to choose here? Front plane. Okay. Sketch. Draw one midline. connect with this. Select this point and this line and make constraint midpoint. .5 distance from here to this midpoint 36 millimeter. Fillet 1 millimeter. Now you can select these two. Okay. Now I want to remove material, so activate extruded boss base, extruded cut feature. Now I want to remove material both sides. So here in direction 1 choose through all both. Now see, material going to remove both sides. No need to define anything else. Say okay. See, fillet. Okay, let's apply fillet here. One millimeter symmetric and constant size. Now let me select these two options, and at bottom also this is also 1 millimeter. Okay. Okay, there is a two body, that's why we are not able to select this feature. So now go to add both body, combine, add feature, select both the bodies. Okay. Now come down. Now edit. Now add this face. See, 1 millimeter going to add here. Say okay. Now here one hole going to add from this side. 12 by 22, depth 14, and opposite direction 11 by 24, and depth 2 millimeter. Select this face, sketch. Now choose center rectangle because the hole applied exactly the center. That's why we keep this point part as a 24. (22) 12. Extruded cut, and depth here choose blind, depth here applied 14. Here uncheck direction 2. Similarly select this face, sketch, center rectangle, (24) 11. Make depth 2 millimeter only. Now inside radius R1. See here. See here R1. So we will add radius R1. Then the corner radius are 0.5. You will see here 0.5. 0.5. (1 millimeter). Now select this one point and select this one, first option. So it will select all edges. Similarly, I am going to do this side. Select inside only one edge and it will show you this pop-up. So select first one and it will select all 4 corners. Okay, what else? 1 millimeter we can do? No more. Now again, here choose constant size, radius 0.5. I'm going to select 1. Okay, this is not going to select, so delete this option. Whatever going to select, just keep. Okay, for clear. Now from here I am going to select this one first. Let's try this one. Okay, now it looks perfect. Okay, these things we will apply at second attempt so that we will get a shape proper. See, okay, that's the shape we want to achieve. If you want to add edit material, cast alloy, cast stainless steel 77, apply, close. Let's see real view. Oh, that's look perfect. This is hammer head. Let's make this handle 240 millimeter. This is ellipse shape 30 20.5, and this corner you have to cut 14 17, and this depth 22 and 12 millimeter. And there is a chamfer 0.5 45 degree, radius R2. Let's see. Front plane, sketch, ellipse, smart dimension 30, 20.5 is still not defined, so make important relation. Select set origin point and this point horizontal constraint, extruded boss base. Now here keep only blind 240 millimeter, say okay. Go to here, organic, wood, oak, okay, any material you can apply, teak, satin finish teak, better. Right plane, sketch. I want to remove some material, so activate line. Select one midpoint. Make this construction. Smart dimension 14, 17. Now distance 22 divided by 2, it's 11 from this side. Now select all, mirror. See, I want to remove both material, extruded cut. Keep end condition through all both. Now see closely, both going to remove. See. Now let's say top plane sketch. Draw on mid, activate line tool, start with this point. 14, 17. Now this distance 12 millimeter. Now select all, activate mirror entity. See, this is copied. That's why select all. Extruded cut. I want to remove material both side equally. So here choose through all both in direction. See. Chamfer. Angle distance 0.5 into 45 degree. Select this face. 0.5. See, all selected. Fillet 2 millimeter. Okay. Let me save this one as a handle. Now let's do the assembly. The simple, go to new, assembly. Now drop down and activate origin. Now first part by default always fixed. So I am going to close. If I move my cursor over origin, this is going to fix at origin. See, apply. Now I don't need. Insert handle. Now if you want to rotate, you can do it, but we don't need this case. So place somewhere here. Okay, this is too far. Just drag and place at position. Okay, let's apply mat. Go to advanced mat and I want to apply width mat. Now here width section 1, section 2. In section 1 you have to choose two faces. Let's say I am going to select two face 1 and opposite face. In section width 2, same I am going to apply two faces. Now this is going to apply at center. Now here also again I want to, okay, we don't need to apply this. Simply choose the standard mat. Select top face and select this top face. Okay. Select internal face. Select this face. See, this is going to fix and you will see the preview. This perfectly fits inside. Here select yes. Okay. Now our hammer is ready. Don't forget to share and like our video and please subscribe our channel for more video and more projects in SolidWorks. Thanks for watching.